So the first step I told you guys was to use this, now you can see it, this gentle skin cleanser. So this is the first thing I do. First thing I do, actually take off my rings and my jewelry. Because I'm hunching, you guys. I'm this tall. I need a new camera stand. So, don't mind me. Alright. So the first thing I'm going to do, I usually do 1 pump. Got my wipes ready. So this is just to help like take off the makeup. Let me take off my hair clip. And I'll wear my headband. I actually just bought this today. Anyone interested? I got it at the dollar store. It'll help clear my hair out of the way. Okay, there we go. So 1 pump of this gentle, I feel like it's backwards, this gentle skin cleanser. Mind you, this is Equate. This is the Walmart brand. So I do 1 pump. And then I go in, mostly on my eyes, everywhere, but see? It helps take off the makeup. You could do more pumps, like I'll do maybe 1 more pump. Raccoon eyes. I love raccoon eyes. But this is so much easier, especially like at night. Just because sometimes like the wipes just aren't enough. And sometimes you end up using a lot more wipes than you actually need to. And it's hard to take off mascara with wipes, right? Like I know I'm not alone, right? Okay, so I like to get in my eyes because I wear a lot of mascara. Try to take away that. Okay, you see? It kind of helps like, mind you, you can use it by itself too. But I like to use it as a cleanser sometimes in the morning. And definitely for this. So now I'm gonna take my white, and this should help take off like the makeup a lot easier. Yeah, this definitely helps like when you're tired at night. Wait, did I just say that already? I don't know if I just said that, but it helps when you're tired and like you just want to take your makeup off, but like you don't want to sit there and keep trying to like scrub off all this makeup. So as you can see, it took off a lot of my makeup, like a lot. And then what I like to do, because these towelettes, these cleansing wipes are thick, I'll fold it and then I'll use the other side. So now I'm just gonna wash my face. See, it already looks so clean. But we're not done yet. We're not quite done yet. Now, I'm gonna wash my face with the Aveeno Clear Complexion Foaming Cleanser. Yeah. So now we're gonna do that. So I usually wet my face first, and I usually do 1 pump. That's all you really need. And then 1 pump gives you a good lather over the eyes. And then we're gonna rinse. Yeah. Don't mind my linty towel. Things happen. So then, so last but not least, I like to use this Clear Complexion from Aveeno, the Daily Moisturizer, because it has the salicylic acid in it. Put it everywhere. And there you have it. This is my skin routine. So guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Always get me right, I call him Mr. Clean.